Join me as I dive into the latest updates on LCID stock and see if I can make sense of the recent changes. Lucid Motors, the electric vehicle manufacturer behind LCID stock, has been making waves in the EV market with its sleek designs and innovative technology. As one of the newer players in the industry, LCID has garnered significant attention from investors and enthusiasts alike. The company's recent developments have been closely watched, and many are eager to see how it will compete with established players like Tesla. LCID has faced some tough times recently, with production delays being one of the major concerns. The company has been working hard to ramp up production, but it's been a challenge. They're not the only ones feeling the heat. The entire EV market has been experiencing some volatility. Competition is fierce, with new players emerging and established ones expanding their offerings. And then there's the market itself, which can be unpredictable. All these factors combined have made it tough for LCID to maintain a steady momentum. Despite these challenges, LCID has been working hard to improve its situation. The company has been investing heavily in its manufacturing capabilities, trying to streamline its processes and increase efficiency. It's also been focusing on innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles. These efforts are crucial in helping LCID stay competitive, but it's clear that the road ahead won't be easy. The market has been reacting to LCID's progress, with the stock price experiencing some fluctuations. Investors have been closely watching the company's earnings reports, looking for signs of improvement. And improvement is what LCID has been showing, slowly but surely. The company has been making progress, and that's what's crucial. One of the more interesting developments in the LCID space is its recent partnership with other companies to drive growth. These partnerships could help LCID expand its reach, improve its technology, and increase its production capacity. The company has also been making some strategic moves to strengthen its position in the market. One recent announcement that's got everyone talking is LCID's plan to introduce a new model. This new model is expected to be a game changer for the company, offering a more affordable option for consumers while still delivering on performance and range. The new model is a significant development for LCID, and it could be a turning point for the stock. The new model is expected to drive growth for LCID, and investors are eagerly awaiting more details. If executed correctly, this new model could help LCID gain a stronger foothold in the market. In terms of recent news, LCID's earnings reports have been closely watched by investors. The company has been making progress, but it's clear that there's still work to be done. LCID's strategic partnerships have also been making headlines, with many analysts speculating about their potential impact on the company's future. To sum it up, LCID stock has been on a wild ride lately, with production delays, market volatility, and fierce competition. But despite these challenges, the company has been making progress, investing in its future, and exploring new opportunities. If you found this update helpful, be sure to like the video and share your thoughts on LCID stock in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my previous videos on stock market trends for more insights and analysis.